If you have ignored Messenger as strategies because they would probably take up too much of your time, give me the next 3 minutes because I'm going to show you why Messenger conversations aren't just faster than you think, but that they can also be used far more effectively than simply relying on a webinar funnel to book in your calls right now. And if you want the step-by-step guide that I've got here, we use this to write the post that starts the conversations, okay? So if you want this, just drop the word resource below. I can send this over to you. Free, yeah? Hi, my name's Tina. I'm from 𝗥𝗘𝗦𝗢𝗥𝗖𝗘. Now, we're finding most people and clients are coming to us after their ads and funnels have failed right now. Now, we've been running this for years now. And what we do is we find out what's there already, find out what's working, and then we help people turn what they have there already into book calls. Now, if it's a fit, we also could do the same for you. Now, something I hear a lot from our clients and people who we talk to is this. I'd love to try this Messenger strategy, but I just don't have time to sit on my inbox all day. And I get that because at first glance, it sounds like handling 10 or 20 conversations a day would take hours, right? But here's the thing most people are not considering right now. Funnels take just as much time, sometimes more, okay? It's just that they hide that time inside the setup and the delays that are going on. You time it, you say, you have to build your funnel, you've got to write the email sequences, text message sequences sometimes, you've got to create your webinar, you've got to then send your traffic, and then you've got to wait, see what happens, and then you've got to kind of hope that what happens is what you want to happen, and usually then start your testing process all over again. Time-consuming, expensive, yeah? But the issue is that you do not know who's interested, and you don't know why people are not converting, okay? So I want you to compare that to what we do with our Messenger process. We write one post, a really short one as well. It gives people something that they want, okay? And then we invite them to drop a word in the comment or message you directly. And from there, actually, what happens is the conversation starts. Now, in that first exchange, you can get what most funnels can't give you, okay? You get to learn what your ideal clients actually want right now. You're going to learn what's holding them back. And you also get to learn where they are right now in their decision-making process. Now, our busiest clients right now are spending less than an hour a day inside Messenger, some less than 30 minutes. And it's because the responses are warm, they're not having to chase people. It doesn't take long to guide the right people towards a call. Did you hear that? Yeah. And you could actually easily handle up to 100 full conversations in a week, okay, without a funnel, without an email, without actually having to wait, because that's the most painful part, isn't it? Now, the best part of this is you learn so much more about your audience in this process. So instead of guessing what they want, you're actually hearing it directly. You're seeing it, okay? You're getting to ask the questions. And then you can adjust your offer, your wording, and the next post in real time, not after weeks of testing and then guessing what to try next, yeah? So if you want my post framework that we use to start these conversations, just drop the word resource below. I can send this over to you, or you can message me. Now, one post, 1 hour a day max, and you're going to get so much more insight and more conversations than most funnels are ever given these days.